In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use adjusting journal entries in QuickBooks Online. We'll start right inside QuickBooks Online. Once you're signed in and on the home page, head to your Reports area. This is where you'll access the information you need to find and update transactions. In the search bar at the top of the Reports screen, type Journal. You'll see the journal report appear in the results. Open that report to view a chronological list of every debit and credit flowing through your books. Take a moment to confirm the report is showing the period you're working on, especially if you're closing a month or a year. The journal report is your map. It shows accounts, amounts, and the source of each transaction. When you identify something that needs an adjustment, maybe a reclassification, an accrual, or a cleanup of a misposted expense, click directly on the transaction in the report to open its original form. With the transaction open, you can make the edits needed to create your adjusting entry. Keep your goal in mind. You're aligning the books with reality for the period you're closing. That could mean updating the accounts on a line, changing amounts, or splitting lines so the entry properly reflects the adjustment. Make sure your date matches the period end you're adjusting, because timing matters for accurate financials. Use the memo field to clearly label what you're doing, such as period end adjustment, or a short reason for the change. This note helps anyone reviewing your file later understand the purpose of the entry. As you adjust, confirm that the entry remains in balance. Debits must equal credits. If you're reclassifying, ensure the original account and the destination account reflect the correct totals after your change. If classes, locations, or projects are part of your tracking, keep those consistent so your management reports stay clean. It's also a good practice to reference any supporting calculation or document in your memo, so the adjustment is easy to verify. Once you're done making changes, take a final pass. Check the date, the accounts impacted, the amounts, and the memo. Make sure the entry tells a clear story and supports your financial statements for the period. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. Your adjustment is now recorded. The next time you view the journal report, your updated entry will be reflected, helping ensure that your trial balance and financial statements line up with your period end goals. That's all it takes to use adjusting journal entries in QuickBooks Online with confidence.